This is just a quick update on my video about installing a front splitter on the TC. I've actually removed mine because the plastic on here has faded a lot more than some of the other plastics that I've installed on the car. And instead of using the black restoration stuff on here again and again and again, I'm going to go ahead and plastic dip this. Unfortunately, something that I discovered is that the aluminum is going to corrode, and I knew it was going to corrode a little bit on the outside because it's not anodized. And I just had this off last month and it was fine, but today when I went to go take the splitter off, I discovered a lot of corrosion white powder inside of the piece here, and in fact it's actually gotten seized up on at least 3 of them, like this one right here. And I managed to actually take a hammer and put it over top of my vise, with my vise open up a little bit underneath, and then wail on it to get the one out. But this one and the corresponding one on the other side are just completely seized on. I don't know why all of a sudden in a month it just decided to do that, considering I've had this installed for like a couple of years. So I've got it soaking in liquid wrench right now, hoping I can get it out. So do not use the aluminum on there. Instead, I'm going to use these nylon ones that I got from Home Depot. Everbuilt, the part number is 595495, and you want to make sure you get that part number because that's got the correct inner diameter so that it fits around the stainless steel screws perfectly. So yeah, go ahead. If you already installed aluminum spacers on your splitter, take them out now before they get corroded on and replace them with these nylon ones. All right. Thanks for watching.